Quadratic equations. First question, number A, x square minus 12x plus 36 equals to 0. We have to find discriminant. So first we have to compare with a x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a equals to 1, which is coefficient of x square, b equals to minus 12, c equals to 36, right? So what will be the law of a discriminant? This one is a discriminant denoted delta or d, which is b square minus 4ac. b is a minus 12 square minus 4 times a means 1 times c means 36. Minus square it means plus, 12 square is a 144 minus 4 times 1 times 36, it's again 144. So it will be 0. So what is the rule? If discriminant or delta equals to 0, it means two equal repeated real roots will become, right? So delta equals to 0. Delta equals to 0. It means two equal real roots. So what will be that number? The number will be like, here is a x square minus 12x plus 36 equals to 0. We know x equals to, here is a minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a, right? So b, it's a minus 12, it means minus and minus 12, and then plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, we already get the value, which is 0. Here is a 0. Then 2 times what? Here is a means 1. So minus and minus, it will be plus. So here is a 12 divide 2. Our result is 6. It means two equal real roots, which is 6. So our answer x equals to 6 and discriminant delta equals to 0. This is our answer. So number 1A done. 1B. Again we compare with what? 1B. Here is the x square plus 5x minus 36 equals to 0. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a means what? A is a 1. B equals to coefficient of x, it means 5. And c equals to minus 36. So discriminant it's a NT, right? NaNT. Discriminant delta equals to b square minus 4ac. So b means 5 square minus 4 times a means 1 times c means minus 36. So 5 square is a 25, and minus it will be plus, and 36 times 4 is a 144, and finally we get 169. What does mean? It's a greater than 0. It means we will get two distinct real roots. So we will get two different value. So we can say in here, since delta greater than 0, the equation has two distinct roots. So let's try to solve this one. X square minus 5x, and then what? It's a minus or plus? Plus. Plus 5x minus 36 equals to 0. So we know the thing, x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac d by 2a. So minus b means what? 5, right? 5. And then plus minus b square minus 4ac, we already get the value, which is 169. So it will be root over 169 divide 2 times a means 1. So finally in here is a minus 5, then plus minus root 69, 169 it's a 13, and then 2. So what will be the result? Here once positive, x equals to minus 5 plus 13 divide 2. It means 13 minus 5, it's a 8 divide 2, here is a 5. Once negative, x equals to minus 5 minus 13 divide 2. Minus 5 minus 13, it will be minus 18 divide 2. It means the result is minus 9. So x equals to what? Either 4 or minus 9. This is our result. Two distinct real root. One is 4, another one is minus 9. I hope you clear this one. So finally, number 1 and B has done. Question 1C. Here is a x square plus 9x plus 2 equals to 0. So first we have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So here a equals to 1, b equals to 9, and c equals to 2. So what will be the discriminant? Discriminant delta equals to, we know, b square plus 4ac. So b means here is a 9 square, 4 times a means 1 times c means what? 2. So 9 times 9 square means 81 plus 4 times 2 what? 4 times 2 is 8. 8 means what? 16, right? So 16, we can say this one is the greater than 0. So what will be the fact if greater than 0? Here we get 16. It means since, we can write since delta, if anybody want can be used d, right? So delta is greater than 0. What does mean? It means the equation has two distinct real roots. So if you want, so here is the two part. First part we have complete, find the discriminant for each equation and hence decide if the equation has two distinct roots, two real roots, or no real roots. Here is the two real roots. So what is that? So we know x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. What is the equation? Equation is x square plus, it's a 9x plus 2 equals to 0. So from here we can write minus b, it means minus 9 plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, we already get the value, which is 16. 2 times a means 1. So here is a minus 9 plus minus root 16 is the 4, then 2, right? So minus 9 if positive, then x equals to minus 9 and then plus 4 divide 2. So finally minus 9 plus 4, it means minus 5 divide 2. The result is minus 2.5. If anybody want to make this one decimal, otherwise minus 5 by 2 is okay. Again, if negative, that time x equals to minus 9 minus 4 divide 2. So minus 9 minus 4 is a minus 13 divide 2. The result is minus 6.5. So finally we get x equals to either minus 2.5 or we can say it's a minus 6.5. So this is our result. Okay, so here is a two part. One part, it's the discriminant is greater than 0. So we can say the equation has two distinct real roots. Thank you very much for being with me. This video I'm trying to stop now. Next video will come very soon. And nowadays I am trying to solve 7 days 7 types of math. So these kinds of math, it means quadratic equation, will become next Sunday. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please stay with me. Thank you.